We're at the Strawberry Festival. This is like the market type of in the Garden Grove in Main Street in California. Strawberry Festival with they have some pop-up markets over here with bracelets, friendship bracelets, jewelry. Might have some rings, huh?
Yeah.
Some pillows.
Massage pillow.
Massage pillow from Costco.
Plans?
Oh, the barber shop. The barber shop here.
Both animals and crazy people.
With the jewelry here, some more jewelry. Some clothes over here with some more bracelets. Some hats. The paintings over here. I got my hat. I got my custom hat. Oh, there's the strawberries here.
Oh, surprise! The strawberry cocktail and you get to get
The color.
Yes, we'll buy it on our way.
How you guys doing today?
We'll come back.
Oh, freeze-dried candy.
What is it?
The freeze-dried candy.
Freeze-dried candy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Peeps.
Handmade wood magnets.
Jerky huts. Oh, there's a food place.
Okay, what are these?
The foods.
West
The hot
Coast
dogs.
weenies.
Weenies? Oh, it's plushies for
It's a foot long.
wow. There's curly fries too. There's more strawberries.
Oh, wow.
Look, it's bacon wrap.
Yes.
It smells bomb. Huh? It's fresh too, right?
Get that one. Did you get that one?
Oh yeah. It's a corn dog, right?
Hey,
Wow.
that's the West Coast weenie.
Crocs?
Oh, for the shoe. Hey, that's
Are these for
really
Crocs?
hot.
Are these for Crocs? Some paintings over here.
Drake.
Pets.
Gutter protection for your home. We're all set for today.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Hope you guys have a great day today.
Okay, you too.
Rockstar Mall. Only $5. Oh, the pizza, huh? Pizza and wings. Wow. You could feed the butterflies for $5.
Let's see the framed insects and caterpillars. Oh, wow.
No. My ride days are over.
Oh, what do you mean? You're so young. if I go in it, I'll bring my breakfast down.
You never go on with
Well, I used to.
deep fried Kit Kat.
What?
Deep fried Kit Kat.
Deep fried Kit Kat?
Yeah. We got some games over here. What? Those are bomb.
Deep fried steak.
Oh, the butterfly?
Did it escape? That's like a teacup.
I think more space though. Yeah.
Oh my god! No!
You gotta get a.
You cannot share the wristband. You can.
Well, no.
No, you have to wear it. That's why it's a wristband. You're wearing it.
Like now. The paramedics.
Oh, look. Paramedics are here?
Yeah, just to set up. I don't think it's.
Yeah, my mom's channel. Gloria's Platter.
You want to be on it?
You wanna be on the channel?
What is it about?
Oh,
Would you like to talk?
We do vlogs and we do cooking channels too. Yeah, we're just vlogging about the whole strawberry festival.
Would you like to talk?
Sure, I don't mind.
Okay, go on.
But no, yeah, it sounds great and everything.
What's your name?
Joseph,
Joseph. What time did you come here?
we start work at around what, 10 o'clock?
We've been here since 9. We start at 9. We gotta set everything up.
And then what time do you finish?
10 o'clock at night.
And this place gets crowded later?
Yeah,
This is what? Now, only not even 11 o'clock in the morning. So what time does it get pretty crowded?
around like 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock?
4:30.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, thank you so much. Have a nice day. I got 2 new subscribers.
Smells good here.
So many food places.
Smells good.
Deep fried Twinkies.
We have
Nobody's on.
the porta potties here.
You just have to record that.
That's in the video. Oh, they have these toys, huh?
Hello, how are you?
Jerky?
Yeah.
You want any?
I don't know how much it is. How much is the beef jerky?
We have 2 sizes. We have quarter pounds for $11 and twice the size, which are $19. The flavors go from not spicy all the way to the hottest, spiciest on this side. So we have two different sizes.
All right, thank you.
Strawberries, very sweet. Good morning.
Good morning.
actually Cheetos bags.
Am I on TV? No, we don't have that. But
All right. Have a good day.
all right. Peace.
How you doing today?
Hello, very good. How are you?
I'm well. I'm not set up yet though.
Okay. This looks good to me. Have a nice day.
You too.